Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you my honest review about this Munchkin utensil set. So this colorful toddler size utensil set is designed especially for your little ones. So as you can see, it has a easy to grip handles and an array of fun colors to choose from. So these are very comfortable to use, and this flatware picks up food with minimal effort. So this is perfect for your kids handling, and these are suitable for 18 months old and above, or for older toddlers. So I recommend this Munchkin utensil set because these toddlers, or this utensil set, will love, your toddlers will love these utensil sets. And because these utensils can be used for an independent eating with ease for your kids or toddlers. So if I were you, you should definitely try this because this is worth buying.